Hello and welcome to Digital Arts Equipment, Wasaga Beach Public Library, choosing the right equipment. And today what we'll be looking at is what kind of equipment do you need for different digital arts projects. My name is Tom Strad, I'm the lead digital artist of the Creator Space, and welcome to this video. What digital arts equipment do I need? With a variety of equipment available at the Wasaga Beach Public Library, it's important to plan what you need for the type of digital art project you're working on. Different kits and equipment are suited for different types of digital arts projects. Let's start with the digital video projects. What do you need to do that? So one, you'll need the Blackmagic 4K digital cinema camera kit. That is the camera and also lenses. That comes with a few lenses from a wide, normal, mid, and long focal lens. And that is in the order of the 12mm, 25, 35, and 55mm lens. Then next, you should also get the video tripod with ball head, unless you want to just go handheld. So the tripod's really great to set up your shots, do pans and tilts. Number three, if you need to light, you'll need the LED lights, LED softbox, and light stands. There are up to 3 available. Next, you can add a reflector for controlling light inside and also for exteriors if you want to redirect sunlight, for example. If you're recording sound, you'll need the sound kit, number 5. And number 6, you'll need a boom pole if you want to use the boom mic from the sound kit. And that allows you to reach out to people and move as they talk. So that's the digital video projects and recommended kits and equipment. Next, let's look at digital photography projects. What do you need to do digital photography? One, the Canon 60 DSLR photo camera kit, and that is the camera body and lens. Next, you'll need the Manfrotto photo tripod if you want to do non-handheld photography, so that could be longer exposures, or if you're not the steadiest hand, you might want to use the tripod. If you want to add any kind of lighting, you'll need the LED lights, LED softbox, and light stands. Then you can also request the reflector, and that can again control light and also can be used for exteriors. If you don't have any power light, you can redirect sunlight. Next, we have digital sound projects. What do you need to do digital sound projects? This can include things like podcasts, music demo recording, or live sound recording. One, you'll need the sound recording kit, and that comes with the Zoom H4n digital sound recorder. Two, you'll need the condenser microphone, and that is in the sound kit, and it has also a gooseneck stand. That is a great microphone for podcast recording. Next, you can also add a boom pole if you want to add directional movement to sound recording using the boom mic in the kit. So those are the 3 items you could request for sound projects. Next, digital 360 video projects. So here's the following kits that we'd recommend and equipment to do 360 video. One, you'll need the GoPro Fusion 360 video kit. That is the camera with batteries. 2, if you want to light spaces, you can also request the LED light with light stand. 3, you can also get the sound recording kit. That could be great for capturing interviews or other dialogue using the Rode Wireless Go mic. And that can be hidden from a 360 camera since it's wireless. So that could be a great way to add recording, sound recording as well. So that's everything in terms of the types of kits that you might want to use and access from the Wasaga Beach Public Library in terms of your digital arts projects. And thanks for watching the video. You can check out our YouTube channel where there's more informational videos, instructional videos, how-to, and intros on all the different equipment that I just talked about. So I hope you enjoy the digital arts equipment that is available to borrow at the Wasaga Beach Public Library, and I wish you all the luck on your projects.